Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this steam generator from Philips, the model HI5918, faster ironing with extra steam, max 5.2 bar pump, up to 100 gram per minute continuous steam, up to 200 gram steam boost, ceramic sole plate, detachable water tank 1.1 liter, descaling reminder, descaling container included, and auto shut off. Nice of that, let's open to see what we have inside, how we can use it, and find out more about this product, that it gives you a worldwide warranty 2 years. We've got some instructions here, how you can use it, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. And as usual, we've got the manual inside. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. Now let's see one by one at the unit. We've got the water supply hose. It is about 1.5 meters, long enough. Here we've got the on-off switch. The power cord, same, it is 1.5 meters. Nice. At the front we've got the iron ready LED. The Calc-clean button with light. Press 2-second Calc-clean, it says. Philips in here. We've got the temperature dial. From one it is synthetic, soil, silk and cotton. And we've got the steam trigger and steam boost button. Here we've got the ceramic sole plate with holes, outlet for the steam. Here we've got the iron platform, rubber. You can have your iron here, no problem, it will not burn the surface. At the front we've got the release button for the tank, just press and release. And there we've got the container. Here you can refill water. It's recommended to use distilled or demineralized water if you are living in an area with a hard water. Nice. And you can see the max says here and here. Plastic container. And install again here. And it says here refill anytime, 2 minutes until it will start. 200 grams of steam boost and 5.2 bar max pump. Great. Well, I can say overall it feels very well manufactured. It feels very well to my hand. First look. And I think it's time to plug it in and start test it and see how it works. And the last one I kept. This is the smart Calc-clean container. Obviously it goes here and start the smart Calc-clean process. Nice. Water at the tank. Let's switch it on. We've got the LED indicator at the front. It is blue right now. Just wait. We can see for the first time it's pumping water. Press the button and we've got more steam. Start ironing. Boost steam. Nice. This is the areas that is more hard to reach. We can hear a small noise from the pump feeding water from this tube to the iron. Nice, I think he's doing an amazing job ironing with steam. It is cotton maximum. I think with this steam generator from Philips, I would like more ironing my clothes. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to buy it is your choice. It costs about 80 to 100 euros. It depends the discount, the store. Find the right price and just buy it. For me, it's doing an amazing job ironing very well my clothes. Now let me show you the Calc-clean process. Take the iron, place it at this position, press this button for 2 seconds, goes to red, is flashing, just wait, you can hear a beep. And now it's pumping water with a 5-bar pressure pump and start cleaning the iron steam generator. It doesn't stop, it keeps pumping water. Now it stops pumping water. We've got steam. I can hear the sound. And we can see now it's flashing blue, the front LED. That means it stopped the cleaning process. Perfect. And now you've got a clean iron. And you can see the water here. It is too hard, just be careful. We've got rubbers here, here and here. Don't worry, it will not damage this plastic. It's very safe. And after that, take again any clothes, press the button, start pumping, and start ironing your clothes. Well guys, that was all about. Great experience from Philips, I like it. And as I said, if you need it, just buy it. It's a great product. And with all guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.